Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Sweatcoin application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sweatcoin app on your device, and once it is launched, you have the option to sign up with Google or log into your existing account. To create your new account, tap on the sign up option. And now you simply need to choose from the various different Google accounts that you have signed in within your device. After selecting your preferred Google account, tap on the Continue As button, and now this will begin the sign up process. Make sure to tap on Access Physical Activity to allow the application access to track your steps. You will be given the option to enable Health Connect to check out your progress, which you can do it right away, or tap on the Skip option. It is recommended to set up now so that you won't have to worry about it in the future. Just tap on Allow All in order to allow the access. Now select whether you would like to receive push notifications, and now just allow the background activity access. After allowing this, your account is now ready to use. You can check out your account info by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner, and you can edit your profile info if you wish by tapping on this option. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Sweatcoin app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.